Have you ever wondered why people invest in gold and silver? Why are these shiny metals considered so valuable? These questions linger in the minds of many, and for good reason. Precious metals such as gold and silver have held a significant place in our history, often symbolizing wealth and power. Their limited availability and universal acceptance only heighten their inherent value. In the grand scheme of our economy, they serve as steadfast pillars. Gold and silver have stood the test of time as valuable assets, but what makes them a good investment? To understand the investment potential, we must first look at the market for precious metals. The market is driven by both supply and demand, with demand often influenced by economic factors and geopolitical events. For instance, in times of economic uncertainty, the demand for precious metals, particularly gold, often increases as investors seek safe havens for their money. Supply, on the other hand, can be affected by mining production changes and recycling rates. As for pricing, it's largely decided by the interplay of these supply and demand dynamics, alongside currency fluctuations and inflation rates. Precious metals have a reputation for being a hedge against inflation and currency devaluation. Historically, they have shown a negative correlation with stock markets, meaning they often perform well when stocks are down. However, like any market, it's not without its volatility. Gold prices, for example, have seen a high of $1,900 per ounce in 2020 to a low of $1,700 in 2022. As we can see, investing in precious metals can be a risky but potentially rewarding endeavor. And now that we understand the market, let's explore the benefits of investing in precious metals. One of the primary advantages of investing in precious metals like gold and silver is their ability to act as a hedge against inflation. When the cost of living goes up, so too does the value of these precious metals. Think of them as a kind of financial insurance policy, safeguarding your wealth against the corrosive effects of rising prices. Another key benefit is portfolio diversification. No savvy investor puts all their eggs in one basket. Precious metals provide a means to spread risk and potentially enhance overall portfolio performance. They tend not to move in sync with traditional equity and bond markets, which can provide balance in turbulent economic times. Moreover, precious metals offer protection against economic uncertainty. In times of geopolitical unrest or financial instability, investors often turn to gold and silver as safe havens. They are tangible assets that have maintained value throughout centuries of economic upheavals. But let's not forget about the potential for significant returns. Precious metals have shown impressive growth over the past 2 decades. For instance, gold has increased in value by more than 400% since the start of the 21st century. Investing in precious metals can offer significant returns and protection against economic downturns, but it's not without its challenges. While the potential rewards are enticing, it's important to understand the challenges that come with investing in precious metals. One of the key hurdles is market volatility. Precious metals, like any commodity, can experience abrupt price swings. This unpredictability can lead to significant losses if not carefully managed. Another challenge is the cost of storage and insurance. Unlike stocks or bonds, physical gold or silver requires secure storage. You might need to rent a safety deposit box or invest in a home safe and insurance to protect your investment. This can add to the overall cost of your venture into precious metals. Moreover, the tangible nature of precious metals opens up the possibility of physical theft. This risk, though it may seem old-fashioned, is very real and must be factored into your investment strategy. Despite these challenges, many investors find that the potential benefits of investing in precious metals outweigh the risks. Investing in gold and silver might seem like a daunting task, but with knowledge and understanding, it can be a rewarding venture. You see, the inherent value of these precious metals has withstood the test of time, making them a reliable asset. Their market, though complex, is navigable. It's influenced by a myriad of factors, from global economics to simple supply and demand dynamics. The benefits of investing in such commodities are numerous. They serve as a hedge against inflation, provide portfolio diversification, and offer a safe haven in times of financial uncertainty. However, it's not without its challenges. Volatility, storage and insurance costs, and liquidity issues can pose certain hurdles. But remember, knowledge is power. Equip yourself with the right information, continue learning, and make informed decisions. As with any investment, the key to success in precious metals is understanding the market, being aware of the risks, and making informed decisions.